स्वयमण्डभाग्योक्तो मदन्यो जगदीश्वरः क्वासौ यदि स सर्वत्र कस्मात् स्तम्भेन दृश्यते. O most unfortunate Prahlad, you have always described a supreme being other than me, a supreme being who is above everything and who is a controller of everything and who is all pervading. But where is he? If he is everywhere, then why he is not present me in this pillar? Hindi, English? कौन सा language can you? Hindi or English? Huh? English, okay. So now the question is, before everyone, Hiranyakashipu basically represents a typical materialist who can not see the Lord and proud by its so-called Janmasharya Shrutashri. It demands, show me God. Right? Most of the people are like that. You tell your friends in college, God is there. Show me. देखा है क्या? हाँ देखा है? कैसे बोलता है? हाँ? आप मंदिर आते हैं, आरती करते हैं, जप करते हैं, भगवान देखा है क्या? क्या करता है तू? लोग बोलते हैं ना. It's all story. But it is not such a easy thing. Premanjana churita bhakti vilochanena Santa sadeva hridayeshu vilokayanti Yam shama sundaram achintya gunaswarupam Govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami. So this shloka from Brahma Samhita is the answer that your eyes should be anointed with love. And the prema will not come in first stage, the ninth stage. Shraddha, sadhu sangha, bhajan kriya, anartha nivritti, nishta, ruchi, asakti, bhava. This is about time lagta hai. So when the heart is pure with love for Krishna, then you can see. And Krishna's form is totally spiritual. The Devata, their form is material. वो तक नहीं दिखते. Previously, even people on earth, Prabhupada says, could see the Devatas. Because they were great king, they were doing yagnas and Devatas used to come. But Prabhupada says, where are those yagnas today? Such beautiful yagnas, the Devatas used to come to attend. Today there are no yagnas. In fact, sometimes the Lord himself used to come. Bhagavata mentioned Prithu Maharaj, when he did yagna, Lord manifested. Sometimes ordinary people can take darshan of the Lord and they can take darshan of Devatas. It used to be like, just like you see some big personalities, celebrities. Nowadays they have become like Devatas. Degraded civilization. They only know how to hit a ball or those things, they become celebrities. Such degraded civilization. Correct? They don't know what is their ideal itself. But Devatas are not so. They have highly advanced personalities. And they have a place. Yanti deva vrata devan pritri yanti pritri vrataha bhutani yanti bhuteja madhyajo anapi yanti mam. So it says the Devatas have their own place. And there are crores of Devatas. That means there are crores of planets of the Devatas. Today they are imagining. So the difference is how to see. How to see the Devatas. Okay, now we'll first understand one very nice principle. Prahlad Maharaj was always seeing the Lord. Prabhupada gives an example here when his father Hiranyakashipu took out a sword that today I am going to kill you. Correct? He was trying to instruct his father. My dear father, you control, please control. You're not able to control your senses. And you are imagining Vishnu to be the enemy. That is your problem. Because of uncontrolled senses, you become mad. And you're imagining Vishnu to be your enemy. But there is only one enemy, your own mind. There is no enemy. You are imagining enemies. Enemy is your uncontrolled mind. He was trying to correct his father. Maybe give a last chance. But his father was like, you're trying to instruct me? मेरे को बताओगे? He took out his sword and I'll kill you. So crazy. So Prahlad Maharaj was constantly seeing the Lord. In fact, at this moment, Prabhupada says he manifested already in the pillar for Prahlad Maharaj. Lord had already come. And he was assuring Prahlad, don't worry. Just like as a loving father, he was, don't worry, I'm there, don't worry. Assuring, small child, somebody is going to kill. So Krishna is protecting him because he is a dear devotee. Now when Hiranyakashipu sees him looking at the pillar, he says, God is everywhere? Yes. Is he there in the pillar? Yes. Therefore it is said, Narasimhadeva manifested to prove the words of Prahlad Maharaj. Another way. Correct? To prove the words of, hence proved. God is everywhere? Proved by appearance of Narasimha. From a pillar he has come. So anyway, so Prahlad Maharaj was always seeing the Lord, and Hiranyakashipu saw the Lord as death. Just like you're sitting in the class. Now you are very obedient student. You always have a good relation with the teacher. You're interacting with the teacher. Teacher asks a question. You raise your hand. You ask a question. You clarify something. You are having a presence of the teacher in the class is going on. But there may be somebody who is ignoring the presence of the teacher. And the teacher becomes angry. He is eating in the class. He is talking in the class. He is doing whatever in the class. And teacher is disturbing the whole class. Teacher is very irritated. And then teacher says, get out. So he does not see the teacher. Maybe he does not even see the teacher's face. Correct? He is not interested. But then he sees the power of the teacher who throws him out of the class. Get up! Teacher bolta nahi koi. Get up! Go. Sometimes I remember some children are eating chewing gum. Itna gussa aata hai. You get very irritated. But nowadays it's very common. They can't live without eating chewing gum. You can make out. Somehow they pass time, no interest. So Prahlad Maharaj had a relationship. This is one thing major missing. Professional life, personal life, sab alag ho gaya aajkal. It's not true. At least on the higher professions, it should not be true. Shudra profession chalta hai, alag cheez hai. Just like आपको अपना चप्पल ठीक कराना है. अब वो दारू पीता है, नहीं पीता, क्या करना है, चप्पल ठीक कर, उसको 10 रुपए दिया, छोड़ दो. But those who are higher professions, personal life should also has to be pure. Correct? And then a teacher has to develop a relationship to the student. I have this realization. Okay? I had some occasion where I had to hear classes when I had gone to Mayapur. So I remember first time when I was sitting, that 50 minutes was like 100 hours, so difficult. Because I didn't know that person. But next class, what he did? He broke ice with everybody. Who are you? He was trying to understand everybody. He made each one of us introduce ourselves and all. And once we develop a wavelength, then he can speak for hours. There was no pressure. No pressure. I know him. I can ask him. Correct? When you don't know somebody, it is very difficult to hear him. And today, that modern education, that's the problem. And then they only see one thing, get out, get out. So he only sees the power of the teacher to throw him out. So similarly, Prabhupada says, it's your choice. You want to see God, it's your choice. By loving devotion, we can see Him every moment. Like a student in the class, always interacting with the teacher. But those who ignore presence of God, they see Him at the point of death. Get out. And they can't do anything. They can't do it. Prabhupada says, actually you cannot increase your life by 1 second. You cannot increase your life by 1 second. What it is? At that moment you have to leave. The soul leaves, the body collapses. Some people say because body collapses, soul leaves. Because the soul leaves, body collapses. But time is there, it will go. Your healthy body will not help you. Many people die very healthy. And no use. Every day they are running on the road. Take care, some care we should take, but don't be over obsessed. Because the reason is this. Even in the healthy body you will die. To some level we should take care, definitely. bathe the body, eat food nicely, something you do. But even with a healthy body, you will die. So we should be very, very careful that this is not going to last forever, this body. So presently, while I am in this body, I should do devotion service. Therefore, Bhakti Lata Bija. चैतन्य महाप्रभु ऐसा नहीं है भी 1 मिनट में बन गए. जैसे आपका पेड़ आता है, 1 मिनट का काम नहीं है. उसको बीज लगाना पड़ता है, फिर उसको पानी डालना पड़ता है. वी हैव टू पुट अ फेंस अराउंड दैट थिंग, बिकॉज कोई जानवर आके खा सकते हैं उसको. क्या काम है नहीं है. वीड्स आते रहते हैं, वीड्स को निकालना है. चैतन्य महाप्रभु गिव्स एनालॉजी. इसे ब्रह्मांड भ्रमिते कौनो भाग्यवान जीव, गुरु कृष्ण प्रसादे पाए भक्ति लता बीज. Somebody told Prabhupada, can you show me God? Prabhupada said, 5 मिनट का काम नहीं है, टाइम लगता है इसमें. He said sometimes, he said, you have cataract in your eyes. जो cataract कुछ नहीं दिखता. So similarly, he said, I have to remove the cataract. तब दिखेगा तुमको. So you have cataract. Spiritual cataracts, we are not able to see. So it's not a 5-minute business. You have to cultivate. So first, by the mercy, you have to attract the mercy by our sincerity. By attracting by the mercy of Krishna and Vaishnavas by sincerity, Guru Krishna Prasade Pai Bhakti Lata Beach. How you will get mercy of Krishna? Prasade. Correct? Prasade means mercy. Prasadam means mercy. So by mercy of Guru and Krishna, joint venture, you get Bhakti Lata Beach. You get desire to serve Krishna. I want to serve Krishna. That's called Shraddha. Shraddha Shabde Vishas Sudhirinishya Krishna Bhakti Kaile Sarva Karma Kritaya. If I just serve Krishna, my life will be successful. Ye bhi aasan nahi hai. If nothing else is needed, if this is done, my life is perfect. Somehow Krishna become pleased with me. That's all I want. What do you want? I want the Krishna be pleased. And ye bolna aasan hai, but day should be oriented like that. That somehow the Lord should be pleased with me. Then that leads to sadhu sangha. You are inclined to serve Krishna, you go to devotees who are also inclined to serve the Lord in their association of Shravana Kirtana. What happens? The seeds start fructifying now. And then next level, the sprouts. But what do you have to do? You have to put water. That is called Shravana Kirtana. It's putting water over it. But you have to do fence. What is the sense we discussed yesterday? Aparad. Don't do aparad. Because animals will come and eat the plant. Kuch nahi bachega. And then weeds will come. What are the weeds? 6 weeds are there. Kutinati. Duplicitous behavior. Devotee's behavior should be straightforward, simple. Not duplicitous. Correct? Very difficult to live with somebody when it's duplicitous. What you want, please speak. Don't speak something, keep something in the mind. Very difficult to deal with that person. So devotee's behavior should be simple. And mind is calm. Then you can practice. If your mind is duplicitous, you also cannot practice Krishna consciousness. Simplicity. And the next stage of that is Shraddha, then Sadhu Sangha. So the weeds, Kutinati. Then बाद में फिर then Nishidachar. Nishidachar means your behavior is not proper. Nishidachar. You are breaking the regulative principles. Then you will not advance the spiritual life. Prabhupada says, in spite of so much effort, so much time spent, you will be there only. So therefore, Nishidachar. Therefore, keep ourselves busy. That's the only win. Kali Yuga, the beginning stages we are in, keep running. Just keep running, that's all. बैठे मतलब गए. कुछ करते रहो हमेशा. Nishidachar. Then first one was Kutinati Nishidachar Jiva Himsa. Don't give pain to other living entities, particularly eating meat. Don't do all those things. Nishidachar, Kutinati Jiva Himsa. Mana Puja Pratishtha. Desiring name, worship, fame. These things if you are desiring, you cannot become a devotee. This will not allow the plant to grow. Instead of the plant, the weeds will start growing. Instead of, I want only 2 lotus feet of Krishna, you will want so many things now. I want this. Take it. Grow. The plant will become dry and weeds will become big. Hota hai na? And the weeds, exactly look like the plant. It is not easy. एक सा ही दिखता है, तो बहुत एक्सपर्ट दिमाग चाहिए होता है उसको निकालने के लिए. So we should be introspective. We should be introspective because Krishna will arrange. Krishna will arrange. What he will arrange? He will arrange the situation for you that you can see. If you are introspective, Krishna will say, see, क्यों डिस्टर्ब हो गए तुम? भगवान को किसी ने निरादर किया, किसी ने भगवान का सेवा रोका. हाँ, सेवा रोका तो गुस्सा आएगा. हाँ, किसने भगवान को अपमान किया तो गुस्सा आएगा. Just like example was Lord Rama's eye became red when समुद्र ने जब रास्ता नहीं दिया था. His eyes became red, and so much the whole ocean started get agitated. पानी गर्म होने लगा समुद्र का. So Prabhupada says, अभी तो impersonalists को बहुत मुश्किल होगा. भगवान में गुस्सा, नरसिंह देवी आएंगे भी इतना गुस्सा कि सारे देवता लोग ठंडा नहीं कर पाए. भगवान को गुस्सा, ठीक है. So that is separate issue. It is spiritual. Though Nishidachar, Mana Puja Pratishtha, but Mana Puja Pratishtha should not be cause for gussa. Then your spiritual life is shaken up. Then it will not progress. ठीक है. So these 6 are the weeds and we have to remove those. तेरे बहुत काम है. भक्त बनना कोई एक दिन का नहीं. आप भक्त बन गए, ऐसा मजाक नहीं है. आप पहले बीज को लेके आओ, ओरिजिनल बीज को लेके आओ. ये आपका जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड नहीं, ओरिजिनल बीज. That will come from Guru Krishna. You get from a bona fide spiritual master genuine desire to serve Krishna. And then get that seed in your heart by submissive oral reception, by good association, you get that seed. ठीक है ना. भक्तों के संग में वो बीज मिल जाएगा. वैसे समाज में आपको कौन से बीज मिलते हैं? कर्म बीज, ज्ञान बीज. बस यही 2 बीज मिलते हैं. कर्म बीज, मैं ऐसा बनूंगा, मैं वैसा बनूंगा, ये बन के दिखाओ, ये कर्म बीज. ज्ञान बीज, बहुत विद्वान आदमी है, ये सब बकवास है, इसको कोई मतलब नहीं है मेरे को. हमको चाहिए भक्ति लता बीज. ये आसानी से नहीं मिलेगा आपको. समाज में ये 2 बीज मिल जाएंगे आपको, कर्म बीज, है ना. बीज मीन्स बेसिक डिजायर. भक्ति लता बीज मीन्स इफ आई सेटिस्फाई कृष्णा माय लाइफ विल बी सक्सेसफुल. वो भी आपको बीज मिल गया, भक्त के संग में विश्वास मिल गया, जीवन सफल रास्ते में चला जाएगा. करेक्ट. बट बाकी लोग क्या मिलता है? करके दिखा, कुछ फेमस बनो. These are all material things. These will not be useful, but we collecting only this, and heart is full of all of this. So when Bhakti Lata Beach comes, we have to be careful that other seeds don't sprout. They will destroy your spiritual life. We have to remove. Okay? So there is a lot of discussion on the bejas. Now what happens? So we have to gradually cultivate Krishna consciousness. Then this creeper of devotion service grows, and it grows out of the earth. It goes to the heaven, sees all the heavenly pleasures. It doesn't take shelter there. Creeper needs shelter. It takes shelter of Krishna in Goloka, and there it gives the fruit. देखा ना? Some vegetables, fruits are like creepers. देखा? But they take shelter and then they give fruits. हमारे पास भी था, पूरा चढ़ गया था, है ना? We are getting, what was that? What is the name of that vegetable? Kumblake. We are getting. Yeah, so much we were getting. Ashgard in English. So this is the nature of the creeper. So it is gradual cultivation. It's not that Premanjana will happen in one day. Gradual cultivation. Today we are crying for material things. When you learn to cry for Krishna, genuinely from the core of the heart, then you are advanced spiritual life, and then you are entitled to see Krishna, and you definitely see Krishna. ऐसा नहीं आज देखा कल नहीं देखा, नहीं. When you become qualified, you see Krishna 24 hours. And great acharyas who come to this world on the order of Krishna see Krishna from birth. Why they are separated? They cannot bear to be separated from Krishna. They cannot bear. Great devotees, they cannot bear. They will die if they don't see Krishna. They see Krishna constantly from birth itself. But still out of ecstasy of advancement, they feel they are separated from Krishna. That is their ecstasy. But actually they see Krishna 24 hours from the birth itself. And it is visible in various symptoms of their life. ये भी आ गया. Then another point which I wanted to say was that Vishwarupa. in the beginning stages, it is difficult for a materialist to see the transcendental form of the Lord. Therefore, Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, see like this. Just like if you want to, you cannot demand. First be clear, you cannot demand. You can't even demand to see the Prime Minister. Can you say, we are having a meeting now, hey Prime Minister please come here, otherwise we will declare you do not exist. हमारा मीटिंग में आया नहीं तो आप एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते हो. प्राइम मिनिस्टर से आई डोंट केयर, डू व्हाट यू वांट. करेक्ट? आएगा क्या, तुम भाड़ में जाओ, तुम उसको मतलब नहीं है. बट सेम वे वी कैन नॉट सी द लॉर्ड बाय आवर फोर्स. ही विल नॉट कम, ही इज नॉट योर सर्वेंट. भाई कृष्णा बांसुरी लेके आओ जरा देखना है आपको. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं चलता, ये तरीका नहीं है. सो कृष्णा सेज इन द भगवद गीता, हाउ यू सी मी, व्हाट इज द वे, व्हाट इज द वे. Rasom apsu kaunteya, I am the taste of water. You see like this now. You are drinking water. You see me there, I am there. I am the taste of water. Correct? पानी को है जो नहीं पीता है, पीता है ना. So that way you understand that the manifestation of Krishna for you. Prabhasmi saji surya, you see the sunlight now. Krishna, that's me, that's me, that's me. So in this way, in the beginning, we understand Krishna. Prabhupada says, don't think it's a joke. There is a great spiritual advancement when we start seeing Krishna like that. Because अभी तो कृष्ण का सुंदर रूप हमारे आगे प्रकट नहीं हुआ है, तो अभी भगवान को देखना पड़ता है इस तरह. अभी देख नहीं रहे हम लोग. पानी पीते को याद करता है भगवान है ये. सूरज को देखते हैं, ये रहा भगवान. So in that way we see these are all manifestation of Krishna's energy. That way you see Krishna in the beginning. Slowly, slowly, the gradually lift occurs. So Vishwarupa is nothing but manifestation of Krishna's power. It's a manifestation of Krishna's power. So therefore, our people have a disease to see. Therefore Krishna showed the Vishwarupa. Okay? So all the beautiful manifestation you see in the word, understand it to be display of spark of my splendor. Anything. But finally, when you see Krishna, Krishna is there in the heart of everybody as Paramatma. The yogis meditate on that. That is one level less than seeing Krishna in Goloka, Vaikuntha. But when you see in the heart itself, Krishna is extremely beautiful. He is very smiling, very beautifully dressed. And he is so beautiful. Prabhupada says it satisfied your desire to see beauty. After that, you are totally satisfied. कोई अपमान नहीं. That's why विग्रह को भी इतना अच्छा अलंकार करते हैं. आप देखो आपका मन संतुष्ट हो गया. आप कोई विग्रह, कोई सुंदरता देखने का मन ही नहीं दुनिया में. वी हैव अ डिजायर. जैसे मिठाई खाने का मन होता है, अब यू टेक नाइस प्रसादम, हो गया छुट्टी. योर डिजायर इज फुलफिल्ड. सो सिमिलरली वी वांट टू सी ब्यूटी. See the beauty of the vigraha. So Prabhupada says, if you cannot decorate like that, it's not practical for everybody. Go to the temple and see, and satisfy your desire to see beauty in that way. Okay? So therefore, deity is a manifestation of the Lord out of mercy. We are today, we have a tendency, we have to see everything by the eyes, see the deities. That way you can see the Lord. Another way, another thing Prabhupada says, seeing always is not from the eyes. Just like आपको कोई we give you nice sweet, what do you say? Let me see the taste. Let me see the taste. कोई taste को देखता है क्या? But what is the meaning? You can see even by tongue. You can see even by ear. So actually, in the stubbornness to see, give up. You have to see by the ears now. You have to hear about the Lord.